Okay. So, good morning to all of you. In before class, we discussed the all properties of cross product. Now we are going to discuss in the problems related to the cross product. Say in your textbook there is a exercise number 12C. Exercise number what is that? 12C is the cross product problems. Now we are going to discussing the cross product problems of that. In that, the first main have all or one more questions. Okay, you can do it. And second main is given the question. See the question number 2. What are given? Let a bar is equal to 2i bar plus j bar, comma b bar is equal to minus I bar plus 3j bar plus k bar, and c bar is equal to I bar plus 2j bar plus 5k bar. Okay. Then he asks you that find c bar cross a bar cross minus b bar, a bar minus 2b bar cross c bar, a bar minus c bar cross c bar, and fifth one is a bar minus b bar cross c bar minus b bar. All are in the same process. I can solve the question number 3c. I can in that one third one. What is the question? A bar minus 2b bar cross c bar. I will solve this one. Okay. First of all, you need to find the value of a bar minus 2b bar. So a bar minus 2b bar, that is equal to 2ik plus jk minus 2 into b bar means minus ik plus 3jk plus kk, that is equal to 2i minus of minus plus 2i, that means 4i. J bar minus 6k bar means minus 5j bar plus j, next k bar term is not there, but this is the k term, that is minus 2k bar. Now find a bar minus 2b bar cross c bar, that is equal to, in before class only we discussed what is the meaning of the cross product. We need to find the det. How can you write on the det? First of all, det of I bar j k bar. Okay. Now write on the first term. What is the coefficient of I bar j bar k bar? See, this is the 4 minus 5 minus 2. You need to write on 4 minus 5 minus 2. Next c bar. C bar coefficient is given here. 1, 2, 5. Now go to the find the det. How can you find? Symbols you know that was plus, minus, plus. That is I cap into, leave the column and row of I cap containing this is. So multiply means minus 25. Minus 4 means it will become plus 4. Next minus j cap into, cancel it, 4 5s are 20 plus 2. And final one, k cap into 8 minus means plus 3 plus 5. So this is minus 21 I cap minus 22 j cap plus 13 k cap. Minus 21 I cap minus 22 j cap plus 13 k cap. This is the way to finding the questions of this one. Totally 5 is there. I can solve the only one, and remaining 3 you can be, remaining 4 you can be solve it. What is that? What you done? First you observe. He given the vectors a bar, b bar, c bar, and he asking that was find the value of a bar minus 2b bar cross c bar. For that purpose, you first find it a bar minus 2b bar. A bar minus 2b bar. A bar is 2i bar plus j bar minus 2 into minus I bar plus 3j bar plus k bar. So 2i bar minus of minus plus 2 means 4i bar, j bar plus j bar minus 6k bar means minus 5j bar, again minus 2k bar. And similarly c bar is this is. This is the way to finding the first problem. And we can discussing for the next problem. The next problem is asking what is the concept. Unit vector is What is that asking? That unit vector is perpendicular to the vectors. What that meaning means? You say that A bar cross B bar is a vector which is always perpendicular to A bar and B bar. And he asking the unit vector means what is that? First of all, you find A bar cross B bar. After that, find its magnitude. Then you can write down the n cap is equal to A bar cross B bar by modulus of A bar cross B bar. But here mention very important. He is not asking that in the positive direction or any direction. So you need to take plus or minus also. In that way you can be solve the third question. See, we can write on the question number 3. Just go for the question number 3. What the question is given? Third question. In 4 bits are there. Find the unit vector. Find the unit vector perpendicular to the vectors. Here the 4 questions are given. I take the fourth question. Say 2ik minus 3jk plus kk comma minus ik plus 2jk minus kk. I need a vector. I need a unit vector. Which type of vector you need? Unit vector need. How type of unit vector? That is perpendicular to these two vectors. So first of all, consider this is the two vectors as A and B. Solution to observe very carefully. Very most important question for 4 marks. Let A bar is equal to take 2ik minus 3jk plus kk and B bar is equal to minus ik plus 2jk minus kk. So now write down the formula. What is that? So the unit vector which is perpendicular to both A bar and B bar is n cap is equal to plus or minus A bar cross B bar by magnitude of A bar cross B bar. A bar cross B bar by magnitude of A bar cross B bar. Means what is that? We know that A bar cross B bar is a vector which is perpendicular to both A bar and B bar. I need a unit vector. Before in the first starting classes only discussed, if you wanted to a unit vector means you must be divided with their magnitude to the that vector. But see, in cross product there is a two direction. In that means in upward direction or lower direction. Upward direction means positive, lower direction is negative. So that's where only you need to take plus or minus. Suppose he is asking that in the same direction or opposite direction, like that means you need to take to plus or minus. But here that is not asking anything about the direction, so we consider both of that. First of all, you need to find A bar cross B bar. Say A bar cross B bar. In before problem only solved. How can you? First of all, add the dead symbol I, J, K. First is A bar coefficients 2, minus 3, 1 and B bar coefficient minus 1, 2, minus 1. Now going for the dead I into minus 3 into means 3, minus 2, minus j into minus 2 plus 1. Next plus k into k bar into 4 minus 3. So what you get in the finally? A bar cross B bar is equal to 3 minus 2, that is 1 means I bar, minus 2 plus 1 means minus 1 into minus plus 2 means plus j bar, 4 minus 3 means 1 plus 1 means that is k bar. This is the A bar cross B bar. Now magnitude of A bar or modulus of or norm of A bar cross B bar is under root of coefficient squares 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, that is root 3. So required vector, what is that? We before written here completely, but I don't write it again. So required vector n cap is equal to plus or minus A bar cross B bar by magnitude of A bar cross B bar. See, this is the root 3 means you write on the startingly plus or minus 1 by root 3 into I bar plus J bar plus K bar. So all are getting that. What he did in that, he was asking that find the unit vector which is perpendicular to both the vectors. If he asking that unit vector perpendicular to both vector means you know that A bar cross B bar is a vector which is always perpendicular to both A bar and B bar, and he asking that unit vector, so you divided it with magnitude, and he does not asking anything about the direction, so you need to take plus or minus. And before that, he first of all finding A bar cross B bar using a determinant formula. I bar, J bar, K bar. Coefficient of A bar is 2, minus 3, 1, and B bar coefficient is minus 1, 2, minus 1. Again I find the det using of the determinant concept, plus, minus, plus, and the plus, minus, plus, and remaining the row and column which is containing the I. So finally getting 3 minus 2 is the same way. J means minus 2 plus 1, and K means 4 minus 3. So you can get in the vector I bar plus J bar plus K bar. After that you find the magnitude root 3. So required vector means this is the required vector you need. So you can be using this formula. So this is the question number 3. The second question is using of the cross product in different ways, and third question is finding the unit vectors. Okay, now we are going to be discussing the fourth and fifth questions. See, the 4-5 questions, both questions are depending on the areas. In the previous class only you discussing what is the main purpose of the cross product is to finding the areas. Which type of areas? Parallelogram and triangle. Parallelogram and triangle. Parallelogram is also there is a two conditions. One is if adjacent sides are given, then area is A bar cross B bar, vector area. Magnitude of A bar cross B bar is area. Diagonals are given means half into D1 bar cross D2 bar. In the triangle concept means adjacent sides are given means half into A bar cross B bar. If vertices is given means half AB bar cross AC bar. In the question number 4, he is asking the area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given. Just observe the question number 4 in your textbook. What is the question? Read it. Determine the area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides the vectors in the 4 options. 4 type of questions are given. The first question is 2i comma j, and second question is I bar plus j bar comma minus I bar plus 2j bar, and third question is 2i bar plus j bar plus 3k bar I bar minus j bar, and fourth question is 1 minus 1 1 1 1 1. See, in the fourth question he given is in the point form, so that means you need to consider as a vector A bar. Okay, now we are going to discuss in the question number 4. All are getting the question number 3. This is the way to finding the unit vector. Now we are discussing the fourth question. Determine the area of parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given the vectors 1 minus 3 1 comma 1 1 1. This is it. Okay, so this is the point what given. So consider as a vector and find the cross product and find the magnitude, that is the area of parallelogram. So random solution. How can you write? First of all, consider the vector. Let A bar is equal to, this is the vector means coefficients, write on I bar minus 3j bar plus k bar. Okay, and similarly B bar is equal to I bar plus j bar plus k bar. Consider the two vectors. Now area of, write on the formula, parallelogram whose adjacent adjacent sides A bar comma B bar is, what is that? Delta is equal to magnitude of A bar cross B bar. For that purpose, you need to first find the A bar cross B bar. So A bar cross B bar is equal to delta of I bar, J bar, K bar, that is square units. You need to write out the units also because it is area. I bar, J bar, K bar, 1, minus 3, 1, 1, 1, 1. Same process, that you find I bar into minus 3, minus 1, minus J bar into 1 minus 1, plus K bar into 1 plus 3. That is equal to minus 4I cap, this is 0 cap can be removed, plus 4 cap. This is A bar cross B bar. After finding the A bar cross B bar, what you need to find? You need to find the magnitude. So A bar cross B bar is equal to root over minus 4 square plus 4 square, that is root over 16 plus 16, that is root 32. Root 32 can be replaced for root 2. So therefore, required area delta is equal to magnitude of A bar cross B bar square units. So that is 4 root 2 square units. This is the vector area. Remember, this is the vector area of parallelogram. This is the area of the parallelogram. Area asking means you need to go for magnitude. Vector area means you just write only here only. So he is asking that only determine the area. He is not asking any vector area. So area asked means he is asking a number. So you need to go for, this is the concept of the question number 4. This is the concept for question number 4. What you did, just recall once problem. If he is given the vectors A bar and B bar and asking the area of parallelogram. If asking the area of the parallelogram means adjacent sides, like take that A bar and B bar and find A bar cross B bar. After that, find its magnitude and then it is the required area. Just observe that carefully for the question once, because this is also very important for most questions. In this chapter, he is asking the questions related to the unit vector perpendicular to both vectors, and second concept is equal to area of the parallelogram, and third concept is area of the triangle whose vertices are given, which is in the question number 5. Okay, all are getting now? See question number 5, very most important. Here the 2 question is there, and before is example number question number 4 is also important. Same concept. Question number 5. Calculate the area of the triangle ABC, where means is compulsory given by vector method, where A of 1, 2, 4, B of 3, 1, minus 2, and C of 4, 3, 1. Okay. See, here clearly he is not given any vertices concept. But you remember one thing is A of anything is given means it is the meaning it is a point. And B of something means it is also a point, and C of something means it is also a point. So 3 points are given means what is that? 3 points can be treated as the 3 vertices of triangle. Because he is given that ABC is the triangle, means it is the point vertex A, it is the vertex B, and it is the vertex C. So if you see the diagram of this one, it is the given A, B, C. Okay. So what is given? First of all, observe vertex is given means you consider it is a position vector. OA bar is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 4k cap. And B is given means it is the meaning OB bar is equal to 3I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap, and OC bar is equal to 4I cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. These are the 3 vertices is given. And what is the area of the triangle ABC? Area of triangle ABC is equal to, what is the formula? Of modulus of AB bar cross AC bar square units. See, here important is if you are starting with A means both you must be starting with A. Means AB bar AC bar, otherwise BA bar BC bar, otherwise CA bar CB bar. Anyone you can be find it. But it is easy to find AB bar cross AC bar. So first of all find AB bar. What is the formula for AB bar? Is OB bar minus OA bar. That is from there to here 3 minus 1, that is 2I cap, j minus 2j minus j cap, minus 2 minus 4 minus 6k cap. I written that directly without writing anything more. Again AC bar, that is equal to OC bar minus OA bar, means C to A, that is 4 minus 1, 3I cap, 3j minus 2j plus j cap, k bar means minus 3k cap. After that, what you need to find? AB bar cross AC bar is equal to det of I, j, k, 2 minus 1 minus 6, 3, 1 minus 3. Okay, go for that. I into, that is minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3, plus 3, 1, 6, minus 6 means plus 6, minus j into minus 6 plus 18, plus k cap into 2 plus 3. Again repeat, I cancel means 3 plus 6, j means minus 6 plus 18, k means 2 plus 3, that is 9I cap, that is minus 12j cap plus 5k cap. This is the A bar cross A bar. Area is asking, so you consider is the magnitude AB bar cross AC bar, that is under root of 9 square plus minus 12 square plus 5 square. Each is equal to 9 square is 81 plus 144 plus 25. Add it. What are you getting the finally? 81, 144, 25. 5, 10 means 1, 12, 14, 15, 1 means 250. That is root over 250. Root over 250, how can you write down? 5 root 10. That is equal to 5 root 10 square 5 root 10. This is the A bar cross. So required area is equal to half modulus of AB bar cross AC bar, that is equal to half means 1 by 2 means 5 root 10 by 2 square units. 5 by root 10, 5 by 2 root 10 square units, and 5 root 10 by square units. Okay. Again I repeat, see that this is also very important question of the trust. Third main, fourth main and fifth main, 3 type of questions are asking. So what is the question is given that? Is given that find the area of the triangle whose vertices are given ABC. Vertices is not mentioned here, but you consider it is a vertices because it is given triangle ABC. So A point, B point, C point given. Point is given means it is the meaning position vector. Point is given means it is given the position vector. So therefore you return OA bar, OB bar and OC bar. After that you return the formula. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into AB bar cross AC bar square units. So you find in the AB bar, and finding the AC bar. After that, determine you can finding the net value using of the cross product, again magnitude and required area. Once you can be find with the BA and BC also, same answer will be coming. If you go for this formula also one time, half into BC bar cross BA bar, or half into CA bar cross CB bar. Go for these two formulas, any one of this one, because you can getting the same answer. Once for checking purpose, you can go. If you want to do learning means you can go for this one. Now you can be checking for this. BC bar means OC minus OB, BA minus OA minus OB. You do it and find the values also. You will getting the same values and nothing to changing anything. This is the question number 5. And now question number 6. In the question number 6, what is given? Sine angle. Question number 6 is what is the sine angle is asking. What is the formula of sine angle? Magnitude of A bar cross B bar by magnitude of A bar into magnitude of B bar. Magnitude of A bar cross B bar into magnitude of A bar into magnitude of B bar. This is the formula for sine angle formula. So in the question number 6 is given the two questions. What are the question is that determine the sine angle. See, in the question he is asking that sine angle, then only go for this formula. If he is asking that find the angle means very easy, go for the dot formula, because what is that? Cos theta is equal to A bar dot B bar by mod A bar into mod B bar. It is easy one. But specifically he is asking in the question find the sine angle. See, in this question he is clearly asking determine the sine of the angle between the vectors. Sine of the angles between the vector is clearly mentioned. So if it clearly mentioned means then you need to go for sine formula. Otherwise you can go for the cos formula. So what is the sixth question is? There is the two vectors are given. What are the vectors are let? I directly written the solution. Let A bar is equal to 5ik minus 3j and B bar is equal to 3ik minus 2k. I need a sine angle. So therefore sine angle between the vectors A bar and B bar is equal to means is sin theta is equal to magnitude of A bar cross B bar by magnitude of A bar into magnitude of B bar. Okay, this is the sin theta formula. So now first A bar cross B bar, that is delta of I j k 5 minus 3. There is no k bar term, consider as a 0, and here 3, that is 3i bar or 3j bar. 3i bar. 3i bar. So 3, there is no 0, minus 2. So that is I into 6 minus 0 minus j into minus 10 minus 0 plus k into 0 plus 9. That is 6ik plus 10jk plus 9kk. So magnitude of A bar cross B bar is equal to under root of 6 square plus 10 square plus 9 square, that is equal to 36 plus 100 plus 81, that is root of 181 means 200 no something. So 100 81 36 7 1 1 270 root over. Now find the magnitude of A bar. Magnitude of A bar is equal to root over 5 square plus minus 3 square, that is root over 25 plus 9 is equal to root 34. Magnitude of B bar is equal to root over 3 square plus minus 2 square, that is root over 9 plus 4 is root 30. So required angle sin theta is equal to root over 217 write the formula once. A bar cross B bar by mod A bar into mod B bar, that is root 200 217 by root 34 into root 13. In right in the one angle, that is root over 217 by 34 into 30. You find it the value. So this is the way to finding the question number 6, and 7th one is already done. So up to 7 you complete everything, and remaining problem we will be discussing in the next class. Thank you.